Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect.
Today we're going to show you how to replace an inline water filter behind your refrigerator. Just like internal water filters, inline water filters should be replaced every 6 months, or more often if water flow slows noticeably. Okay, let's get started. You'll need a bucket to catch water and a towel to wipe up any water spills. The first step is to shut off the water supply.
Using a helper, carefully pull the refrigerator forward to access the water supply tubing.
Release the water filter from its mounting bracket. With the filter over a bucket, release the inlet water line by pushing in the water filter collar and pulling out the water line. Repeat the process to release the outlet water line. With the filter's water flow pointed in the correct direction, push the inlet end of the water tube into the filter fitting until it bottoms out. Tug on the water tube to make sure it's securely connected. Hold the water filter outlet over a bucket, open the water supply valve, and flush 2 gallons of water through the filter to remove carbon dust and residue. Check the inlet water connection for leaks. Shut off the water supply valve. Connect the outlet tube to the filter outlet fitting and tug it to make sure it's secure. Open the water supply valve and check the outlet water tube for leaks. Push the tube further into the filter if it leaks. Attach the water filter to the mounting hardware on the wall and push the refrigerator back into place. Once that water filter is out of sight, it might be out of mind too. To make sure you get a replacement when you need it, sign up for a water filter subscription with free shipping when you buy your next filter at SearsPartsDirect.com. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY.
We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.